Hey everyone! So we're gonna have a little fun today. I'm going to do a 3 bottle bottom pour. I'm gonna stagger them like this, I think, to give it some interest. And I'm only gonna be using a few colors because it's pretty much the yucky stuff that I have left. But I will be using black and orange, a salmon color, red and yellow. But before I do that, I need to lay my white down. We're not going to do another groovy one, but this one will be fun too. Hopefully everything will pour good. I never tried it with more than one, so this is a first. You're seeing it here. And my white doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to have color running off as well. Just giving it something to grab the paint. So I hope everybody's having a good week. Today's my afternoon off of being a caregiver, so I'm getting some painting done and getting my studio finished. Almost there. Probably another day out here to pick up some cardboard boxes and move a couple chairs around. I've got paintings that need to be varnished all over the place and paintings that need to be cleaned all over the place. So when I do my studio tour, you're going to get to see the mess. So if I have a chance tomorrow, I'll do that for you. It's not a big space, but it's my space, and nobody comes in my space. But I have a mixing table and my YouTube table where I pour. I see something right here. Come on. They like to run away from you. I think I got that one. Push it off the side. Send him off the cliff. Okay. That's all I see. I think we're good. Okay. So I have to do a little bit of paint in these cups. They're going to be underneath those other cups. I should check to see if they're going to fit under there. Well, they can rest on top. I'm just going to do yellow and red and orange. I'll leave that open. Because we don't need a lot. Get those to a little stir. All right. So I want one here, one here. Of course, it had a leak, didn't it? one there. So I'm going to grab it and pull it over. That's okay. We're going to cover it all up anyway. All right. This one's a little, now they're all kind of close to the edge. There. So let's start with black as the base to outline the flower. I can see this is going to be a problem already because I forgot about dripping. That was my mistake. But I'm going to leave it there because we're going to move it around. So, and I'm going to follow that with red. And then I'm going to follow that with this little bit of salmon. It's not a big color difference. So I may add it again after the yellow. Let's break that up and do the yellow here. Some of these have silicone, so they're going to get cells in them. And some orange. Let's do yellow again. Now my canvas was perfectly level, so if this runs off, it's just because of the tops, the bottle tops. And that's fine if it runs over. Let's go back with some red. And coral. And I think that's going to be plenty. But I want to try one more thing. And I talked about it on the last video that I did this. So now I'm going to try it here. I'm going to turn these 1/2 turn. Get on there. Okay. Oh, I keep forgetting that. It's going to drip. And I'll go with red again. Just seems like it's not sitting on there. Okay. Yes, I talk to myself. But you're listening. No harm, no foul. And some orange. I got a ton of paint on this canvas. and yellow. I used up all my pink in the last video, or I would have done these pastel-y. And I'm going to go ahead and let those drip off. I think I'll end with black because I have those flip cups underneath. Got that drip. So as soon as I see that stop dripping, then I'll take these off and put them on. I have some plastic plates here. Okay. My son drinks Propel water, so I have a never-ending supply of these. Okay, and I'm going to pick this up. Pretty cool, huh? Let's see. Let's try something. I'm always about experimenting. I'm just going to do that on the inside ones. Those would have been the last ones that we poured. That's a big way to go. I'm just using a skewer. And since we have so much color in the middle, it's not behaving. I would have gotten a pipette out, but mine are the big ones and they just release way too much paint. I want that. Actually, it's alright. That's not going to matter. I'm letting this paint run off on its own. My canvas is pretty tight. I sprayed it before I started, so. And I don't want I don't want to move it. And I'm going to leave it just like that, because I think it's pretty cool. And no, I'm not going to airbrush it, and I'm not going to add any leaves. Believe me, I want to add leaves, but I know if I do, I'm going to mess it up. But I think it's pretty cool. It's very contemporary. Reminds me of the 70s wallpaper. 80s, 70s definitely. But I like it. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and hit that subscribe button and click that little button next to it that is the bell, and you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment, and I will at least tell you thank you. But if you have questions, I can answer those too. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and if you have a more in-depth question, you can message me through there, and I can definitely help you, whether you're looking for products or not. I'm very close to my 1,000 subscribers. When I hit that, I can get myself affiliated with Amazon, and I'll give you guys a shopping page, all the things that I buy from there, and I'm working on it, and it should be soon. So, everybody have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.